Chop!
Minchia, sto tenendo...
Hey, remember the Uffizi?
Fuck no!
Yeah, it's the museum next to where we got those mochachinos.
I remember the mochachinos! I'm saying, fuck no!